guys, it's Ishan and you're gonna back to our show. What do we do?
We are gonna make noodles.
And what do we have today?
We have a special guest.
Today we're gonna make an egg fried noodle for our friend.
You need 6 simple ingredients.
We're cooking noodles.
For this you need Indomie noodles, 2 eggs,
Frozen vegetables, red cabbage, olive oil, and soy sauce.
Water into the noodle. Oh my gosh, that's.
Put it in the microwave for 2 minutes. Guys, remember to need adult help when you're using kitchen tools like knives, ovens, and microwaves.
drain the water from the noodles.
You need to take 2 eggs and crack it into the bowl.
Nicely.
My turn. Adult help to cook eggs and veggies and red cabbage with olive oil.
Hey, do you want to play, guys? It looks like nothing. Shale.
My noodle is ready and dig it.
Dig it. Big one. Big one.
Yay! Thanks for watching. This is Ishan and Video signing off. See you in my next video, who might be a cooking video or a review video.
Bye. Watch our videos on YouTube. Subscribe and like and comment.
Let's go!